In the last part, we started with one of the core basics of equity investment, which is market capitalization. And in this video, we want to look at large market caps. We want to look at large market caps in Nigeria. What are the advantages of investing in large market caps? And I'll also be sharing my take on the major drawback that I think investing in large market cap has at the end of the video. So quickly, let's look at it. So when we talk about large market cap, majorly I've categorized them into two. There is what we call SWOTs, which is stocks worth over 1 trillion. SWOT. Then we have below 1 trillion, but above 500 billion. So that's the second category. So when you look at this side, when you look at the SWOT, which is the one above 1 trillion, we have Dangote Cement, Boa Foods, we have MTN Nigeria, we have Boa Cement, we have Geregu, we have Aradel. And also, our four major banks are also in this category, which is First Bank, UBA, GTCO, and Zenith. Access is below 1 trillion market cap. So under the below 1 trillion market cap, we have Nesu, Ohando, Nigerian Breweries, Stanbic IBTC, Fidelity Bank, then we have Access Bank. So those are the large market caps that we have. There are more than this. These are just some of it. What are the advantages of investing in large market caps? That, okay, I want to invest, should I go for low market cap, medium market cap, or I should go for large market cap? So what is the advantage of this over others? Number one is the dividend. Most large market cap pays dividend. Even some pay twice in a year. They will pay interim dividend and they will pay the final one. So dividend is a major reason why people invest in large market cap, because it is certain that most of them pay dividend twice in a year, especially our Nigerian banks. Number two is liquidity. It is not, one thing about large market cap is it is not an investment that you want to sell and you are not seeing anybody to buy from you. There are some stocks like that whenever you need money and you want to turn it into cash, you may not see people to buy it from you. One thing about them is that you can easily turn them to cash. So if you have invested in large market caps, you can easily turn them to cash. So when it comes to liquidity, they are there. Number three is stability. You can be rest assured because they are large market cap, the management is solid, the policies are solid, the structure is solid. They are the leading companies in any country. So you can be rest assured of the safety of your investments, and just because they are now stable, it shows that they are of low risk investment as well. Just imagine investing in Dangote Cement, investing in Geregu, Aradel. You can be rest assured that your capital is safe and also the return on investments is guaranteed, except when they declare losses. And just like I've said, these are companies that are usually in critical sector of the economy. You can invest in them and to some extent go to sleep. What is number five? Capital appreciation. They have the ability for their capital to appreciate because most of them are in the critical sector, manufacturing, telecom, oil and gas. They have the capacity for their share price to increase in the market, and also because of the demand for these shares. Many people want to have them. For instance, if you want to buy the last of Aradel, at times you may get to the market and you will not be able to buy because nobody is willing to sell. Everyone that is holding Aradel at a point in time did not want to sell. Why? Because there was demand for it. It's one of the large market caps, and at times you want to even buy some of these shares, you may not be able to buy them because nobody is willing to sell. But anytime you want to sell, people are always ready, and that's why I spoke about liquidity. What is the major drawback that, from my own perspective, from my own opinion, on investing in large market cap? The major drawback is if you are looking for a stock that will do 500% in a year, 1000% in a year, large market caps is not a go area for you because they are already large. Majorly, it is stability, already large, and trying to do 500% may not be realistic if you are to be true to ourselves. But if you are looking for that, you may want to go for low market cap that maybe in 1 year that can do 1000%, 500%, just like it happened to Ohando last year, and I think Transcorp maybe 2 years ago or so. I hope you understand. That is the major drawback for my large market cap. So in the next part, we'll be talking about medium market cap. We also look at examples and also the advantages and the drawback. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.